downward travel. Like if I do a YouTube channel, I have to go through all this process step by step shit. But it makes me feel like, you know, every shitload of videos out there that already explain it. Do I have to go through it? These are the original factory rotors. So I have exactly 150,000 miles on this thing. And I'm actually really surprised it's pretty decent. It's not even glassed over yet, but it's definitely wearing down. It's forming a lip here from the brake. Brakes are still good. Say maybe it's around 80%, 90. And I think I had these brakes for, I want to say 50,000 miles. Plus with the load I carry, really surprised it's still that thick. Is your car on, huh? Oh. No? Yeah.
I have DCBS as well. So should be retracted now. And turn the ignition off. It should be. Yeah, you'll know when you go to use the compression tool.
Yeah.
You can push it back in.
Okay.
Yeah, take this off and then use the compression tool. And then if it doesn't compress, then we'll have to go and run the thing again.
I need to remove these, right?
No.
I don't?
No, because you're going to take off the caliper, and then you're going to take off the carrier.
Well, I'm changing the rotor.
Right, so when you take off the carrier, the rotor will just slide right off.
Oh, it's not connected to this?
Well, there's a screw here that holds it to the hub. So once you take that out, and use a heavy hammer just to knock it right here, that'll break it free, and you don't want to clean off all this corrosion right here, and then any corrosion that's going to be on behind this.
Okay. I thought this was into the rotor.
No, it's into the hub, which is behind this.
Oh, gotcha. Cool.
All right. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thanks.
So, do you have TPMS on these right now?
No, I think it's from the level.
It'll never work. What you want to do? You want to whack it right here on the edge with a heavy hammer. There you go.
Put some beef in it, Gene.
Huh?
Put some beef in it.
So it did compress all the way in?
No.
Did you get a compressor or no?
That's not all the way in, right?
No. Did you get a compressor or no?
No, I did.
Good. I actually didn't really hear it when we were doing it.
Oh, was it retracting?
Yeah. All good. I'm gonna get a brush on the bottom there and try to brush off as much of this corrosion as possible.
I did. It's as much as possible as I did.
Supervising. Supervising. Harder, faster, stronger.
That's pretty cool. Ceramic? Yeah, ceramic. I wonder if I should change it anyway. Because we're already out.
You didn't think they were going to come with pads?
No, I thought it was just...
No, it's a full kit. Oh, so shiny and new.
So shiny and new. And slotted.
We love slots.
Look at that. 140,000 miles.
0.
Brand new. That's rear passenger. Does it really matter? Look at that.
Ooh.
Shiny and new. Was
Put
it?
a rusty bolt on it.
Huh? Luckily, these ones don't come with sensors.
Well, it tells you where it's at and is where in the wear.
What? The sensors?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the front.
That's good.
Clean off the dust and rust. Get some grease. Powerstop grease. Put some on here so it won't squeak when you brake. You see?
I see it, man.
That'd be
See it better if you quit fucking moving around so much.